What's up, guys? Ryan Wilson here from Predator Inc. out in our Florida branch right now. We got an insane unicorn up for sale. A little bit different. You ready for it? It is a 2004 Suburban with a Duramax conversion and super rare. It's the only year that they did a heavy-duty Suburban 2004 with Quadrasteer. So I don't know if you guys can see it. Look at that thing. Turn like this. So I'm making a right-hand turn. This is kicking the rear end out. And then you got the front tires turned that way. One of the indicators that you can see is this wider fender here. So I've got this big lip across here. It really is just the indicator for me. When I see that, I know it has Quadrasteer. So extremely rare truck, but on top of that too, we converted it, so it's absolutely insane. But this truck is up for sale. It is extremely reasonable. If you guys are interested, check out the website. We'll have it listed, the prices and details and so forth. What's cool about it is it has a front winch. So you got a front winch integrated right here. Duramax engine here. Let me go ahead and pop that open. Dual battery setup, which is always key for a Duramax. It's got the light package up here, so it's got the marker lights up here, which is somewhat rare. Not a lot of them had it. Back here, you got your 4-inch exhaust system, integrated reverse lights here, nice and clean. Back here, not like it has a ton of accessories, but it doesn't need it because it's got Quadrasteer. Let me show you the inside first, and I'll take you for a quick drive. Very stock interior. Classic 2004 Suburban. Factory stereo system here. You got your Quadrasteer right here. Now it's in 4-wheel steer, which is absolutely insane. Coming back here, LT Quadrasteer. This overall really clean. It's just straightforward. It's funny because I grew up on this Suburban. This is like when I started driving. A few years later, they came out with this. Let's scroll off on you guys. I had a job as a caretaker for a gentleman and became a really good friend of mine. And he had a 2004, didn't have Quadrasteer and it did not have a Duramax conversion, but he had a 2004 that I used to drive him all over the place in. So a lot of fun. Did a lot of errands in it and so forth. So yeah, great truck. It's just a beast on the road, especially with the Duramax. And probably the most important thing is it is friggin' hot here in Florida, so gotta turn on the AC. There we go, 34 degrees. I don't think it'll make 34 degrees, but we're gonna call out 34 degrees. And I'll give you guys a little shot of all the Hummers in the driveway here. We got all kinds of cleanup stuff in progress, so got some a lot of vehicles out here lined up. A couple vehicles for sale, a couple more coming in. I'm more excited about driving this because it's Quadrasteer. Let me see if I can see the wheels turning. Here, let me see if I can do two things at once, which is film and drive. And if you know me, I am not good at doing two things at once. I try all the time, but I fail. All right, here we go. I'm gonna go back around the shop here, only because I don't have a plate on the truck. I don't want to take it out on the city streets, but let's drive back here. Hummers everywhere. To the building. It definitely scoots. It's the stock Duramax, but it runs way better than the original engine that was in here, which I think was a 5.7 or 6.0. I'm not exactly sure. so smooth. This thing's amazing. I don't know, I'm honestly like contemplating keeping this truck for myself. It is really cool. 2-wheel drive, 4-wheel drive, high-low right there. We've got all the original controls here on the steering wheel. We've got stereo system all stock, and the best thing, Quadrasteer right here. And 2. So now it's in just the front wheels are gonna turn, not 4-wheel steering. Now 4. Now 4 with the trailer. Very cool. Very, very cool truck. Very rare too, especially with the Duramax. I mean, you can still find a few clean trucks out there that have the Quadrasteer, not many, but not with the Duramax. I think this is the only one. Check out the website. It's gonna be a reasonable price. Usually don't throw out prices on the vlogs because sometimes it changes, market starts going nuts, and then the prices start to increase. I think this one's gonna be priced in the high 40s to low 50s. So we'll have the price firmed up. Check it out. It'll be on the website with all the details. All right, guys, thanks for watching. See you guys soon.